Hey, what are you doing? Jimmy Void, sit down talking truth. Talking truth. I got the call today. I got my man right there. One of my favorite places to go to, 3 River Blades. John, give me the what's up.
How you doing, guys?
We're here right now. We're gonna do a walkthrough at Providence Rest. I'm gonna see if Michelle's around, but we might not have time for that right now. I'm repping 5.0 Posse right here. Repping 5.0 Posse right here. And listen, I'm gonna let everybody know, watch my videos. 3 River Blades is one of my collaborators, sponsorship level at the 5.0 Posse car show. And his tent, John, you got a lot of plans going on because last year was tremendous.
We got some good stuff coming up.
Got some, okay.
So we're gonna do a couple other things other than knives. I know a lot of last year they liked the survival tins.
Okay.
So this year we have the survival tins, but we also have the first aid tins. So that's gonna come out nice.
Always need first aid.
And that's it. Well,
I need first aid. I got cuts everywhere.
You need like 3 kits.
I'm telling you, I do. I really do.
Right?
It's gonna be a food bazaar this year. I'm gonna have a lot of different food vendors, and I would announce them right now, but I'm gonna drop another video and talk about that later. We're gonna try and get this done. Multiple food vendors, and I'm working on entertainment. All right, entertainment. Mondo Duke's coming back, and I got a new Mondo Duke live band. My buddy Phil, my union brother. Sponsorship's gonna be $100. Okay, and a portion of that goes to donate to the facility. A portion of that goes to help fund the event, and a portion of that goes for advertising. John, confirmation. V1 is sold out totally.
V1 is completely sold out.
V1 is completely sold out. Thank you.
We got a couple of V2s left though.
We got a couple of V2s left. Listen, support my channel, support 3 River Blades. Okay, support Jimmy Void. John puts a lot of work into his builds. Everyone has knives, and we're gonna do a video. John, we could drop that video about the collection, about Jimmy Void collection, my personal collection of 3 River Blades knives.
Yeah.
We're gonna drop a video with that in the future, and we're gonna talk about all the different options with 3 River Blades, all the different knife choices. It's gonna be great. Reach out to you. We're dropping a video right now. I'm talking to Michelle, the activities director.
Hey, how are you?
And you want to say hi, or you want to just remain anonymous? But nah, we're anonymous right now. We're not ready for this.
The government.
I'm glad I saw you. I was gonna walk over there and say we're gonna do a walk around right now, John.
Do it, yeah. I'm going up to 5.0 to grab some stuff for the
5.0. Grab some, always working for the residents. That's how it is. That's how we roll over here at Providence Rest. Okay. $20 coming in for cars. Thank you. And I cannot reserve spot. Okay. You got to get here early. Okay. I'm limited by spots for this parking lot and the back parking lot. Back parking lot's going to be 5.0 Posse Car Group, Bronx Mopars, and Shinebox Car Club. We're going to have all the local car crews. The main parking lot, I could fit about 75 cars, and that's going to be for all the guests and all the show cars that come. Classic cars, modded out cars. It's going to be a fantastic show. Last year was a tremendous success. It was the first year we did it, so now this year is officially annual 2023 5.0 Posse Car Show. John is going to have his location all set up. Last year was a great spot, and let's do the walk around. John, what are you thinking? What do you got?
So yeah, so last year it was kind of a issue with people setting up in the wrong areas.
It was.
So this year a little bit more organization. I know you got more plans. We were talking about how you're going to notify people and do all that stuff. So it should be a little bit more organized. But I think it's a good plan to have cars here, and then on this walkway we have vendors. And what's good about that is that the walkway actually goes to the back parking lot with other vehicles. So you have no choice.
Segues right into the parking
lot. You have no choice but to walk through all the vendor tables, which I think is a pretty good plan.
How about your spot from last year? It was like right in the center over here, right?
And then you have bathrooms and food up here too. So again, like if you take a long shot of this walkway right here,
let's go.
Take a long shot of the walkway. All along this side and all along that side, you can put plenty of tents. So
let's go.
And you can have, like, my spot will be here. You can have somebody under the shade here, somebody over there. And last year we got really lucky because it didn't rain. It was beautiful. It wasn't too cold out.
November, we had a great
November,
day.
and it wasn't that cold, which was kind of a fluke, but it worked
Couldn't
out
have been
great.
any better, right?
So you can have all this space over here for vendors. You can have all this space. There is plugs and electric, right? You gotta run some extension cords.
A couple of cords,
you
no big deal.
And then all this back here, like when people drive
We
in
didn't utilize
here,
it last year.
yeah, I know. That's crazy. We should. I mean, this is beautiful over here. And then on top of that, you know, if people come to park back here, you know, because parking is going to be limited. Not everybody has a beautiful car that they want to show off. They just want to come to the show.
Yeah.
So you can park them back here and make them walk the vendor walk.
Wow.
And then this way everybody gets a little, you know, taste of, hey, listen, what else is this about? You know, even food vendors. You can put food vendors anywhere. You know?
Yeah, it's gonna be amazing.
Morning.
Good morning. Yeah, so I think
it's really nice back here.
Yeah, right.
The-
I think it's gonna be
The,
great.
Look
Look at that! Look at this view. You're not gonna believe it.
Hanging out.
Okay.
Look at that. Beautiful.
This is amazing.
So I think if you filled up this place with like people that are visiting, and then dropped a couple, you know, either a couple vendors back here or maybe just some signs.
I want to utilize the grass because
even,
actually the grass all back there is all open.
Right.
And
like,
I'm actually
the spot right here.
Well, this is hopefully I'm gonna utilize this as my stage for my second entertainment. We got Mondo Duke coming back. It's confirmed. My union brother Phil, Mondo Duke's a rock cover band, and they're coming back. And my cousin Ernie's 5.0 Posse OG. He's gonna handle with the entertainment, not the, like kind of the entertainment, but with the equipment for speakers and stuff. And
See you back out there.
yeah, right.
Whipping around.
This is you know, the water. There's only one person on a what was that, jet ski over there?
Ski,
yeah, look at that. Look at that. Oh, he's moving too, man. Wow. So
And the other thing
I'm just
too
gonna
is,
stage.
you know, September is not too hot, not too cold, which is nice. November we just got lucky. Otherwise it would have been too cold and people would have been freezing.
Right.
And of course it's kid friendly, so you know.
Yep.
You know.
Kids entry for kids is gonna be free. Coming in with foot traffic. Again, the foot traffic is a strongly recommended $10 donation to the facility, and car is gonna be $20. Let me take a look for everybody. This is back parking lot, right? This is how deep it goes, and the view of the water right here. So my plan is to utilize everything for vendors. Food vendors are gonna be in the back over here. What do you think, John? Food vendors over here, maybe? By this triangle?
I would be wary about the trash compactor.
Okay.
So that's probably not the
I need the advice. I need the help.
That's probably not a good idea.
Right. Okay.
I mean, listen, it'll be a little cooler, but right now I can smell a little bit of garbage.
Okay,
So it's
there
probably
you go.
not the best spot.
Okay.
But if you have a food truck,
Buses, that's what screwed us up last year. They had
were all
buses
parked all over here. And we couldn't use
Unbelievable.
this
Took
whole
up 10 spots with buses that were unusable by the facility. So basically, I want all my community local vendors are going to come here and pack up the parking lot when I can get a car entry to come in.
There's plenty of spaces to set up.
Right.
Plenty.
Okay.
Yeah.
But my food vendors are going to have carts. It's going to be local people, no trucks, nothing like that. We'll get generators if they need power, and they're going to have we're going to have Guija de la Fritura. Okay, my buddy Eddie. He's going to be a Spanish food. He's going to be a vendor, and all the vendors are going to make their specialty dish.
Bring them empanadas. Delicious.
I got a pulled pork guy.
Delicious.
And I got Chris from the Twisted Fryer. I got Mike from Pablo's Revenge.
Delicious.
And the Giorgio Restaurant. My man is confirmed. The Giorgio Restaurant. He's a sponsor. Gonna make mozzarella.
The best.
Okay.
The best. If you guys weren't familiar with the facility, now you can kind of see what it is. If you want to be a vendor, or you want to sponsor, or even if you want to bring your vehicle, then contact him. You know, he's got an email.
Yeah.
He's got to go to the website, drop an email. He'll get back to you. This way you kind of know what you're looking at as far as either a sponsor or a vendor, or even if you want to bring your nice vehicle over here.
Yeah.
There's plenty of spots.
Absolutely.
Right? You got 75 in the front. I don't know how many you got back here, but it's a lot.
Yeah.
It's a lot. And
We're gonna do good. We're gonna max out.
Last year was the first annual. This is the second annual. So as the word gets around, more people are gonna come. So first come, first serve. Get on the website, drop an email to Jimmy so you guys can secure your spots.
Yeah, jimmyvoid.com. Get on that website. Start handing out the flyers. So we're looking at September 16th, rain date September 17th. Providence Rest Nursing Home, 3304 Waterbury Avenue, Bronx, New York 10465. I want those V2s sold out. Everybody support Three River Blades. Support the V Series knives.
Yeah. Go to threeriverblades.com. I'll have those available if you want to order now. If not, come to the show and I'll have them all over the table. And just buy them in cash.
That's it. And JimmyVoid.com has the link for Three River Blades to pick up a Void Series knives, the V2. Right, John? Thanks
all right,
again.
Thank you.
Take care.